Hello, and thank you so much for joining your small business consultant. Today, we will discuss home-based business ideas for moms. Whether you're a full-time working mom or you stay at home taking care of the kids, you may find yourself looking for ways to boost your family's income. Make use of your spare time by taking on a side hustle to help expand your budget. For moms who are looking to go the extra mile, you may want to consider a home-based small business to help grow your money. Now, there are challenges in starting a home-based business with children, as you need to be present for them as well. However, there is flexibility in your schedule. Also, once you find that opportunity, a great deal of time and effort needs to be put into finding clients and new customers. But before we continue, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be the first to know when new small business content is uploaded. Now, the good news about starting a home-based business is with organization and planning, your mom-friendly home business can provide positive outcomes. There are several home-based business ideas for you to make decent money right now from the comfort of your home. All that needs to be done is for you to find where your interest lies and initiate an action plan. But there are some pros and cons of owning a home-based business. One of the pros: there are no sizable expenses on office purchases or rentals. One of the cons: you may not be able to avoid domestic distractions and interruptions. Another pro: it saves time and money because there's no need to commute. That sounds good to me, especially with the prices of gas right now. Another con: there are longer working hours. As a small-based business or a small home-based business, it takes a little time to build up your clientele and your customers, so longer hours are inevitable, okay? Another pro: you are your boss, and you can set flexible hours to work. Now, starting a home-based business requires lots of hard work, as we discussed before. And since you may not know where to start, I'm going to offer you 5 home-based business ideas, especially for moms. Number 1, you can start a blog. If you want to start a blog, you just need a website and a camera, and of course, a great idea for what to blog about. Number 2, you can teach on Outschool. Outschool is an online classroom designed for kids from kindergarten to high school. There's a background check required, but you don't need a college degree or previous teaching experience to teach through the platform. Number 3, teach English with VIPKID. With VIPKID, you're teaching English to students in foreign countries. Working hours are flexible, but please keep in mind that there are time zone differences. Number 4, you become an online tutor. You can earn money by helping kids with their homework or guiding them for their SAT prep. And you can have a very flexible schedule as well. Number 5, you can make and sell planners. Planners are a hot item right now, especially among moms. It can help busy moms with organizing their time, their homes, schedules, and money. Now, if you're in search of a work-from-home business, then consider any of the above home-based business ideas. And please take a look at the links in the description box that I provided, because there's additional resources to get you started. Thank you so much for joining your small business consultant. Please come back again. For our new visitors, I do appreciate you being here. For our subscribers, I thank you for your support and your time, and I hope that the information that I'm providing is very helpful to you. If you don't mind, please leave a comment in the description box. If there's other topics that you would like for me to talk about in regards to starting a small business, please feel free to share those with me, and I will definitely take a look at it. But for now, have a great day, and I will see you again or talk to you again on Friday. Thank you so much.